What's up guys, we're back again today with another great video, and in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to reset your maintenance required light. As you can see, I'm in the Toyota Corolla right now, so let's go ahead and we'll jump into it. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do here is, as you can see right here, we're on the odometer. You're going to want to go ahead and turn that to trip A. As you see right here, trip A. And the way you switch that is by your trip button, either on your steering wheel or sometimes they'll be up here on your gauge cluster. So now that you've got that done, let's go ahead and we'll turn the car back off. Alright, so now that the car is off, you're going to want to go ahead and hold down that trip button that I showed you guys earlier. And at the same time, turn the car to the on position while you're holding down the trip button. And as you guys can see, it's counting down now. And your maintenance required light has been reset and you're ready to go until your next oil change. Alright guys, so I hope this short video will help you guys on resetting your maintenance required light. This is a 2017 Toyota Corolla, like I said before. This can also work on the Camry and a lot of the other Toyotas in this same year model. Toyota pretty much has done the same thing for, you know, the middle to late 2000s. This has basically been the same way to reset it until the most recent cars that have just came out, the 2020s and up. They actually have changed it a little bit, but hopefully this will help you on your model Toyota. So peace out, and remember, build your masterpiece.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling.